Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera not focusing issue on iPhone 14 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, remove if you have installed any camera lens protector, then remove it and clean your camera lens. So after cleaning your camera lens, open the camera app and then use 0.5x zoom. Now after that, move away the object from the camera and then turn on autofocus or lock focus. Now you can see the focus is locked, and after that your problem will be fixed. So if it doesn't fix your problem, then open and close the camera app 2 to 3 times, and if you are still facing the problem, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general. Now click on software update, and from here check if your iPhone is updated to latest iOS version or not. So if your iPhone is not updated, then click on update and update your mobile software. So after updating your mobile software, your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.